Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Edgar, and I'll just jump straight into it. So last night I finished the course, and wow, I gotta say it was really incredible. There was so much good information in there. Funny enough, I bought the course just a couple days ago. I finished the entire thing in one sitting. The reason being is that before this, I had my own channel. I was uploading videos. I was doing keyword research, and I was really just kind of learning as I go. Trying to figure it out. I've been doing research, and I finally came across Matt on YouTube. Saw his free videos. I really liked the information that he was giving, and so I thought I'd give his course a chance. I took that chance, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am that I found this course. I mean, every single thing from choosing a niche to keyword research to video production, upload, scheduling, every single thing you need to know to be successful is in this course. So I would really recommend, if you are even thinking about it, or if you're on the fence, or if you already have your YouTube channel, this course will take you to the next level. Okay, so again, check it out. Believe Matt, trust Matt. He knows exactly what he's talking about. He's a YouTube expert, and I just cannot stress enough. If you are thinking about it at all, just go for it. Okay? So I'm excited to show you guys my results. Thank you so much, Matt. I'll see you guys around.